welcome to Continental Welding Competition. Then this is the pre-qualification because we thank ASAP Group. That was the sponsor of the event that give us the welding machine to make the competition. In box number 1 is a Nigeria team who is testing, and after you have Ethiopian welding team, the candidate, they are make the test of the element, and after in box number 3 we have Mozambique team. Box number 4 you have Senegal welding team. In box number 5 it's Liberia welding the team. Many competitors are ready, and the competition will start. Then Africa is ready to start the extension of the welding capacity elasticity. Yeah, gentlemen, according to what you have, did there anything is good? The machine is functioning very well?
Based on the routing, we have tried the routing level now. Routing machine, everything's okay for routing.
Oh.
So we are testing its filling now.
Okay.
Filling a capsule, we know how it's produced.
Okay.
But based on the route room, the machine is okay and
okay.
work well.
Ok. Suivant les essais que tu as déjà fait, les paramètres de la machine, c'est bon, c'est bon. Ok. Donc c'est ça.
Bon, on aimerait voir le semi-automatique pour voir que c'est découdé, pour voir.
D'accord. À l'arc, c'est bon. Les paramètres sont bien respectés. Ok. Yeah, gentlemen. According to the test you have done, the welding machine is how you feel it. Is work. Have you finished the route testing?
Not yet, we're about to start.
Okay, but yeah, you test in if the parameter of this. Okay, okay, good. Salam no? Then no. Yeah, you. According to what you have already tested, the machine is okay.
The machine is not problem.
Okay, Antigo Denia. Yeah, I'm waiting you to see how you weld, huh? The only auntie we have in the.
Yeah, she is on there.
More experience than that.
Aha, yeah. I'm a Siginalo.
Okay, thanks.
Is she? Aha. Yeah, it's something. Yes, according to the basic report I have for the welder, they are happy. The machine is functioning very well and good, and the Welding Federation say thank a lot for the support, and hope we will have a good collaboration to cover. Yeah, thank you very much for the support.
The game is about to begin. This is just the beginning. Okay.
I like to, yeah, thank you very much.